So, good morning, ma'am. I am Axel J. Balos Balos, and for today is I am discussing the interaction and diplomatic exchange, early contacts with neighboring countries around 900 to 1400 AD. Introduction: The early interaction and diplomatic exchange between neighboring countries from 900 to 1400 AD were pivotal in shaping the region's history. These encounters laid the foundation for future alliances and conflicts, influencing cultural, economic, and political development. So ang maagang pagkikipag-ugnayan at diplomatikong palitan ng mga kalapit na bansa mula 900 to 1400 AD ay mahalaga sa paghubog ng kasaysayan ng rehiyon. Next, cultural exchange. Cultural exchange during this period led to the transfer of knowledge, art, and religious belief. The blending of tradition and custom fostered a rich and diverse cultural landscape, contributing to the development of unique artistic and architectural style. Nangunguna ang palitan ng kultura sa panahong ito sa pilipat ng kaalaman, sining at relihiyosong paniniwala. Trade networks. The establishment of extensive trade networks facilitated the exchange of goods, technologies, and ideas. This interconnected web of commerce fueled economic growth and prosperity, spurring innovation and specialization in various industries. Ang pagtatag ng malawak na kalakalan ay pinapadali ng teknolohiya. Ang pagpapalitan ng kalakal, teknolohiya at ideya. Ito ay isang interconnected web of commerce na nakabase sa paglago ng ekonomiya at kasaganaan, pagbabago at pagdadalubhasa sa iba't ibang industriya. Diplomatic missions. Diplomatic missions played a crucial role in fostering alliances, resolving conflicts, and negotiating threats. These diplomatic endeavors paved the way for peaceful coexistence and mutual cooperation among neighboring nations. Ang mga diplomatikong misyon ay may mahalagang papel sa pagpapaunlad ng alyansa, paglutas ng mga salungatan, at pagkikipag-ayos ng kasunduan. Conflict resolution. The diplomatic exchange also served as platform for conflict resolution, mitigating tensions and averting potential conflicts. Through dialogue and negotiation, diplomatic envoys played a pivotal role in mediating dispute and promoting peaceful resolution. Ang mga diplomatikong pagpapalitan ay nagsisilbing plataporma para sa paglutas ng salungatan, pagpapagaan ng mga tensyon at pag-iwas sa mga potensyal na kaguluhan sa pamamagitan ng dialogo at negosasyon. Technological transfer. The introduction led to the transfer of technological innovation across borders, catalyzing advancement in various fields such as agriculture, architecture, and military technology. The diffusion of knowledge contributed to technological progress and innovation. Ang mga pagkikipag-ugnayan ay humantong sa paglipat ng makabagong teknolohiya sa kabuuan sa mga hangganan na nagpapasigla sa mga iba't ibang uring larangan tulad ng agrikultura, arkitektura, at teknolohiyang militar. Legacy of early contacts. The early contacts and diplomatic exchange left a lasting legacy that shaped the geopolitical landscape and cultural heritage of the region. The impact of this interaction continues to resonate in the tradition, language, and societal structure of the present-day nations. Ang maagang pagkikipag-ugnayan at diplomatikong palitan ay nag-iiwan ng pangmatagalang legasiya na humubog sa geopolitical landscape at pamanang kultura sa mga rehiyon. Ang epekto ng pagkikipag-ugnayang ito ay patuloy na napapakinabangan sa tradisyon, wika, lipunan, at mga estruktura ng kasalukuyang panahon. Yun lamang po ang aking pag-uulat. Maraming salamat po.